So we have very interesting items lined up for the 30th of this month, which is our cultural day. We have a program guest that is coming in from Nagaland, an MLA from Nagaland, Honorable MLA VK Hosu. And we're going to have our indigenous game competitions like wooden cart race, wrestling. And also on towards the evening, for the evening session, we are going to have Miss TKS contest, and the winner of Miss TKS is going to go on to compete in Miss Manipur 2022 in December. As a wild card entry, so there is no audition, so we are really looking forward to it. And for valedictory, we have our honorable MLA Ramaning Niva, who will be gracing us. And then for the evening session, we have the TKS night, where we have a lot of artists coming in. We have a dance crew, we have a band performance coming in from Imphal, we have DJs coming in from Nagaland, and a lot of popular artists, our very own artists. So it will be very great to see all of you join us here at Kachai. We have not been able to do a lot of advertisement or send out invites to everybody, so please do take this as a formal invitation to all of the viewers that please to come join us, and let's embrace this diversity, let's celebrate ourselves together.